morning. It is day 2, and we are up before 8 o'clock this morning, which is, I think, a record for day 2.
7, but anyway.
I said we're up before 8. But you were up, yeah.
I am starting the day right with a coffee. Oh, I needed one.
I'm feeling a little bit tired still, but that might also be because I just woke up, which is kind of the norm for me. So, hoping I can regain some energy throughout the day. I'm just sitting around the fire that Justin has been keeping going. What's the word? You know what I'm trying to say.
Yep.
While I'm reading a book.
Oh, great. Now there's a hair in my coffee. And when I was rubbing my head.
You wanted a hair in your coffee?
Well, no point in getting it out now. Yeah, pretty big fire. Whoa. Huge fire.
Did you get to a fire?
Eating a muffin. Pre-breakfast snack.
What kind is it, Chili Poo?
Zucchini. Ew.
Cheers. These zucchini muffins are even softer this year than normal. I don't know what we did different. Probably my special touch.
I don't think so.
Ah, so good.
Oh, I forgot you were there. I wasn't doing that for the camera. I wasn't.
You look ridiculous.
So did your face.
We said no more insults.
If you're not putting it down yourself.
I saw it coming. It was right they're like, ow! I wanted to be in there.
That was refreshing. Love some of those too.
Got my special drink.
Oh,
We're all set.
I got my special drink. H2O.
This is literally made of water and fruit.
Ooh, yeah.
This is, Daddy, this is literally water and fruit.
Ooh, you win.
Yeah, it's so healthy. And it, yeah,
That is awesome.
and it tastes like just a regular fruity drink.
My thing is a bit stuck.
Yeah. I mean nothing. That wasn't what I had intended.
You have a sail.
They're not overtly sweet. I tried my hand.
You guys.
Hi, Tooch.
I won. I got 50 for track and field. You could have something to drink.
Here, I'll untwist it for you.
So, we went to the beach. It was so much fun. Me and Molly played scoops and balls. I went in
So
all
hot
the way
beach.
twice. Super nice. I went in 2 other times just to my knees. Mommy also went in twice.
I only went in all the way once, but I went in a bunch of times just up, like, feet, knees, waist.
Each of them are in.
Also, we came back here and Justin, his name is, then we came back here and us 3 kids were going up and down,
I
riding a
object
bike.
to the label kid.
Us three
Siblings
siblings. We're riding our bikes up and down the street.
for a while, yeah.
So fun.
You know, I was actually going for a bike ride. We should actually set up the camera sometime and
Great
have
idea.
proof, you know.
Also, Uncle Hank and Aunt Velma arrived.
We helped them set up their tarp already.
I journaled, I read my books, and now
This part of the tarp is already.
You're not a
you're not the
tarp.
tarp. You're a child. This blue tarp here came down, so you have to fix that.
And also, we're going to make supper. So tonight we are having sausage. We're having potato foils that I made. So in there's potatoes, peppers, onions, corn. Did I put anything else in there? That might
No
be
idea.
it. And also grilled zucchini. I threw together some spices. I am the queen of spices. I threw together some spices, and it's going to be great.
Your face.
Oh, and we also enjoyed lentil dip
As a snack.
as a snack. Bye.
I don't have a contact for Ontario.
Every
Hydro
year in the
that will
vlogs
come
they're
in
gonna
and
see
drill
this.
4
I
holes
get
for
it.
me.
Yes,
And
I
then
have been
found
working on
these
it for
guys.
6 years.
And I started calling concrete
How's it
people.
coming?
No,
Show us the
it's already
blanket.
don't have
So,
anything. These
Well,
guys-
in one year it was so tiny though.
Getting pretty mom. That's what it looks like right now.
This might be one of the last clips we'll get to Kendra.
So
We gotta
they
savor it.
excavated everything, and they
This year, I mean.
Yeah,
and they
yeah.
go, okay, we're
This
gonna let
year.
it-
No,
we have to
yeah,
let it
not
settle
forever.
in, but
I might not be up
it's
next year though.
All right.
You don't
yeah,
know.
we got
Co-op.
concrete.
You don't know yet.
Saying that you
Done
go.
concrete
We'll see.
before, and
Even if it's just for like a weekend or something.
it was fine,
We'll
I
see.
get it. They didn't come.
To not
They
come
did
up at
this
all would be so sad.
before we
know.
went camping, right?
Well, I might get a co-op.
I think
North.
it wasn't along.
Yeah?
I want to try
some,
to get
some
something
part of the
a little
process
bit more
was
north.
forever.
Okay.
They went
Maybe
from-
with like
No,
the
I don't think it was
conservation
just- I don't think it
authority
was actually
doing
put in the
something,
Yes, it
or
was.
the parks,
They had framed it up. They
or
were,
something
There was a
environmental
delay at some
canvassing.
point.
Okay.
It was months.
I think it was. I don't know. I thought it was months.
months.
Yeah.
Because my parents were traveling. It was when they were going to be. I don't know how. Like they were going to.
Like this one is a bit harder
going somewhere else.
to do that with.
And
I feel like with the chunky yarn I can do it easier.
Oh,
This
okay.
yarn. Like if I had really chunky yarn like that, I feel like you can feel it more, you know.
What pattern are you doing there?
I'm doing
It's a really nice pattern.
on the one side this is at the edges, so I do 5 double crochet and then I do 1
Yeah, that's real nice.
of front post.
And then the guy he goes, all right, everything's cleaned up. They cleaned up around. I go, you haven't regraded the driveway. It's on the contract.
Well, I was right. I promised you that I would be ending the vlog in the
dark on day 2. And here I am. It is dark. We just got back from the Clawson campsite, and we are just going to be going to bed. It is currently, check the time, it is currently 9:37. We're going to bed, and I'm very tired because it was a very long day. What?
Stepped on our glow sticks. I didn't know they were
Uh-oh. So it is now starting to rain. So we're expecting a bit of a rain day tomorrow. Because we got to do so many things today, I feel like I'm okay with a rain day.
You're my hero.
And
Night, night. I love you.
night night.
Night, night.
Okay, thanks. You too.
Oh, night, night. I'll see you tomorrow. There it is.
I
There
see
it
it.
is. I got it.
How did you get it that quickly?
Night, night.
It like pops up right in front of the camera as I'm saying that. Like,
Didn't say it.
wait, what?
Didn't say secret at 3.
Oh. See you tomorrow. Forte. Quattro.
Quattro.
3.
Yeah, okay.
Something bit my shoulder. Are you serious? I've got one on both shoulders.
Good night.
Night, night.